Welcome to my video on how to solve the system of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 1. These are two linear equations. We're going to use two methods. We're going to use A by substitution and B by elimination of one of the variables. So first let's start out with substitution. And what we want to do, since the second equation here, we'll label this number 2 and number 1. The second equation is the simplest, so we can say x is equal to, by taking the y on that side, 1 plus y. Now we can take this and substitute it in number 1 equation, this right here. So we get 2 times x, which is 1 plus y, plus 3y is equal to 12. Now if we solve this out, so we get 2, I'm multiplying this out here and then here. So 2y plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 plus 5y is equal to 12. Taking the 2 on this side, subtracting a 2 from both sides, 5y is equal to 12 minus 2, which is 10. Divide both sides by 5. So y now, the 5's go away right here, and then this becomes 2. So there is our first answer. Y is equal to 2. Now let's we want to put y equal to 2 back in equation number 2. So we've got x minus 2 is equal to 1. So subtracting or adding 2 to both sides of this equation right here, so we get x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, or x, these x's cancel out, x is equal to 3. So there's our first pair. So this represents where these two linear lines intersect each other. So now let's go by and do this by substitution. So we're going to do part B, substitution. And what we want to do is we want to add or subtract these two equations in this method so that one of the variables goes away. So we've got 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and we've got x minus y is equal to 1. Simple times 2. So what we get now is first equation remains unchanged, plus 3y is equal to 12. Multiplying by 2, we're going to get 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now let's take these two equations and subtract. So that goes away. We subtract this from this, so we're going to get y is equal to 12 minus 2. And then actually we're going to get 5y because it's going to be 3y, and it's a minus 2, which makes that a plus 2. So 5y is equal to 10, and y is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. So that's the same result we got earlier. That's a good thing. Now, what we want to do is we're just going to essentially use kind of substitution again. So we know y is equal to 2. Putting that in the second equation, so we get x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x, adding 2 to both sides of the equation, so we get x is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. And there's our result again. So we have the intersection point of the two lines is equal to 3, 2. the answer we got a while ago, but the substitution method. So that's what we... Okay, now let's use the program Desmos to plot both of these equations. So we're going to use the keyboard here. And so our first equation is 2x, and then we've got plus 3y, so plus 3y, and that is going to be equal to 12. There's 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So there's our first line. Now our second line right here is going to be x minus y is equal to 1. So it's x minus y equals 1. So there's our second equation. Now let's rearrange this a little bit and expand it so we can look at the points of intersection. So those are our two lines. The green line is the 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. And then the blue line, now the point where they intersect is right there. That is going to be the pair 3, 2, which is just what we found by doing the two other methods. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.